Welcome back to Higher Demand. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial moments in the cannabis growing process, harvesting. Knowing the right time to harvest your cannabis is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's break it down. Timing is everything. Harvest too early, and you'll miss out on potent buds. Wait too long, and you risk overripeness or even mold. So, how do you get it just right? First, let's talk about trichomes. These tiny resin glands on your buds are your best friend. When they're clear, your plant is still growing, and it's not time yet. But when they turn milky white or amber, that's when you want to get your scissors ready. Now, let's check the pistils, those little hairs on the buds. When they're mostly white and straight, your plant needs more time. But as they turn orange or brown, that's another sign it's close to harvest time. Next, look at the buds themselves. They should be dense, sticky, and swollen with resin. If your buds still feel airy or haven't filled out completely, give them more time to mature. The ideal harvest window is when most of the trichomes are milky white, with about 20–30% turning amber. This gives you that sweet spot between a euphoric high and a more relaxed, sedative effect. Before you harvest, take one last look at your plant. Smell it, check the buds for any signs of pests or mold, and ensure the overall health is up to par. When everything looks perfect, it's time to get to work. And that's how you know when to harvest your cannabis for maximum quality. Remember, patience is key, and the timing will make all the difference in your final product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Higher Demand for more tips and tricks on growing and harvesting your cannabis. Until next time, when to harvest your cannabis, when to harvest your cannabis, when to harvest your cannabis.